Welcome to RankTech. In this video, we are going to give the explanation for the previous video. Here, inside bean, we are telling the Spring container to create an employee class with the reference emp. Now, let's see what's happening inside the container. Here, there is inside Spring Framework, there is a container that contains collection of objects. This is Spring container. This is my Spring container. Inside this container, I'm going to just create that employee object. Here, the employee object is created inside Spring container. New employee is my object. This is an employee object. As you know, when an object is created, instance variable are given memory. This is my ID block and this is my name. As we have not initialized, the default value of int is 0 and name is null. The default value of string is null. This is an object inside Spring container. For calling or retrieving this object, we are given an ID or name to this bean, which is emp, employee emp. Okay, this is the virtual representation of what is happening at this line. Now let's go to test class. Let's see. C.getBean calls the bean with the reference emp. As you see here, this object is called. Now, as you can see, I am typecasting because let's remove this. By default, the container returns an object type of object here. E is having an object type. The problem, as we know that object is a root class, the problem here is that the object class's reference, parent class's reference cannot access child class's features. Like you can see, I'm getting an error here. In get employee emp ID. So for accessing this, I want employee class's reference. So we are going to typecast employee, the object which is returned by the Spring container to, and the reference is employee. So here it is going to get the method get emp ID. I'm going to also call the get name method as well. This is the first way of retrieving the bean using typecasting. Here object is returned and employee ID E. This will return the default values. Let's run. Here you can see the 0 and null values. Here the Spring container is returning the employee object. Now there is also a second way. Other than this, we can directly call the employee classes bean as well, like employee reference E1 is equals to C.getBean and here you can write the class name employee.class. This will return the employee class bean. Internally the typecasting will be done and then I can print the E1 reference. Here to string will be evoked. This is direct method. Now I'm going to show you employee ID plus just tell you the default value. Save it and let's run. Here employee class bean will be written. Let me just write second way of calling bean. save and run. Here you can see both the default values. Thank you.